Do we look the same? Should we actually do the same? Oh my god! Oh my god! Namaste! How are you guys? So like you can see, I have someone special here with me. It's my mom, and also yes, we are kind of matching right now because I'm going to transform her into me. So I'm going to do my everyday makeup on her. Are you excited?
Yes.
So I think now, without further ado, we should just get started with this. You know how to do it, right? So now, without further ado, I think we should just get started with this video. So if you don't know, I already have a video on like how I do my makeup every day. I'll just link that in the description box below. But this is just like a fun video where I'm just going to transform. So let's go. First,
Okay,
I'll just like you can see like the dark circles. Like yeah, it's quite similar. It runs in the blood. So
Yeah,
So I'm just
in the blood.
this is also the first time that I'm applying makeup on someone, like full face makeup. Otherwise, I always apply.
I don't apply
She
much,
doesn't-
but
It's just
anyway, Dhwani
eyeliner
wants- and even I like to be with Dhwani, so let's try something new. Okay.
And basically, she just applies eyeliner and lipstick, and that's pretty much makeup for her. That first step was tiring, it says. And I haven't cleaned my brushes or anything, so please don't judge. I don't think this is her shade. I'm just using my shade on her. While growing up, for me, makeup was just like lipstick, liners, and all.
Oh, because I use lipstick only.
Yeah. I usually use my fingers, but now I'm like terrified of using my fingers like now.
No, use it.
Okay, so now we'll just blend the concealer. Applying makeup on old people is kind of hard.
What old people?
So I think concealer is done. We'll just do some baking now, Mom. Do you know what baking is?
No.
It's not the cake baking. You'll just use baby powder and just set the concealer in. I'm just gonna...
I have seen you doing this.
Yeah. So while this is setting, I'll just do her eyebrows now, and I think I need to chop something off here, so I'll just do that as well. Free eyebrow services, Mom.
Thank you so much.
We'll just fill the eyebrows in now.
Why so?
So, Mom, how was I as a child while growing up?
Quite cool.
Cool.
Yeah. Very lovable.
Was I like really naughty or something?
You were, but little bit. I remember when I used to come from office, you used to run and hug me very tight.
Yeah. So my mom, if you don't know, she is working. So we don't get to spend a lot of time together. So baking is done. So we'll just clear the mess. So if you know me, you know I am not like a big eyeshadow person. I just apply like one shade or two shade max. And I'm just gonna apply one shade, which is like my everyday kind of shade on her. This requires so much concentration. I can never become a makeup artist.
And for me, so much patience.
Ah, yes. What was that?
But I'm enjoying.
Yeah. It's like mother-daughter time.
Being
different
with you,
type
I
of-
always enjoy.
She loves me so much, huh? Now we'll go on with the eyeliner. I'm sorry if I'm out of focus all the time. So, yeah, mummy is always on focus. Don't blink your eyes while I'm applying. Like, I hate that portion. Like, a lot of people who apply eyeliner, or the people can relate to this. Like, people blinking their eyes. It's like the most irritating part when applying eyeliner. Yeah. So, don't do that. Okay. That was hard. I don't know why. It's just because the camera is in front of me, my hands are like shaking a little bit now. Okay, so what I do basically, I just wing it a very tiny bit from the outer corner, and I just tried something similar, but since her eye shape is really different from mine, it's looking like a winged eyeliner, like a proper winged eyeliner. So
Okay, not looking bad, no?
I don't think so. That will know when you look in the mirror. Now comes the most complicated part of the makeup routine. You know what this is?
Yeah, do that. I've seen him using it.
So it is the eyelash curler. This just curls your eyelash. I'm very terrified right now, and I just hope okay.
Okay, but
This is also the first time I'm doing this on someone.
wait.
It actually looks like I'm doing some kind of surgery or something. Okay,
Tell.
let's start with this one first. Done. Did that pinch you?
Yeah. See?
Okay, don't cry, don't cry. Makeup is not waterproof. Oh my god, this is an emergency. Oh god, oh god, oh god. There's no hanky here. Is it done? Cool. Huh? Done? Okay, I think.
God.
Okay. I'll just like do it from the top. That's it. I just took like upper half of the eyelashes. She's like, why did I sign up for this? Don't blink. Don't blink. Okay. Wow. Mascara, I swear, changes the whole game. Like, literally, I can't believe I survived so many years without mascara. This makes your face look slimmer and more like structured. So just do fish face. Okay. Okay, I'm also contouring her nose.
Becoming like Dhwani is so difficult, yeah.
Yeah, it's not an easy job, mom. We'll just go ahead and apply blush. I don't go crazy with my blush if you don't know already. I like it very, minimal. So the blush is done. Now comes the fun part. Highlighter. So I'm gonna apply it to your nose and on your cheekbones, on the brow bone, on the cupid's bow and on the chin.
इससे क्या होगा?
इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. इससे आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा shiny लगोगे बस. It just looks like you are sweating a lot. That's it. I think I'm almost done now. She's so done. Now comes the fun part of applying lipstick. I haven't selected much bright pink lipstick because it won't look good on her. So I've selected something like which is like really, cool for both young as well as not so young people. Are you ready now? Like, do you want to see yourself?
I want to see my.
I got like a bigger mirror so that she can like completely see her face at once. Okay, 1, 2.
It's not funny,
I don't know, like, I don't know how you'll react, so I'm just like nervous. And then, okay, anyway, whatever your reactions, like, just keep it natural, like the way we are. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Joe!
I'm looking at you. Ah, it's good. See my nose?
It's
shiny.
Yeah, it's so slim.
And eyeliner, my god.
Oh, yes. We just messed up the eyeliner that side because it's not waterproof, so this side is perfect, but that side was like eyes watering. Like, that's like the case with me all the time. Like, my eyes keep watering. So we look the same. Oh, should we actually do the same? Oh my god! Oh my god! This is crazy! Oh shit. So how much will you rate me? The whole process of putting this makeup on and
Everything was nice, except that.
eyelash curler. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope my mom had fun putting
Yes,
makeup on.
yes,
Like
yes.
removal portion would be the hardest. She doesn't know about it, so that's coming up.
But Dhwani is there.
Anyway, if you want to see more such videos with my mom, comment down below and let me know. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. 80,000 coming soon. Subscribe. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next video now. Bye.